What's up, traders? Just got a huge position in AMD. Bought 4,000 shares. That's how confident I was in this, you guys. Right now it's topping off. So far, I'm up $847. Don't want to look at the price too much, you guys. Just want to follow the trend. Right now, I just got that crossover. The reason why I bought it, it was consolidating for a while. Then I was watching the times and sales, watching level 2. Now I just got the crossover, another bullish single. Uh, so we're trying to see how far this thing takes us. My price target is between 1950 and 1960. If it can't crack 1945, 1950, I'll be stomping out. Don't want to get greedy. Still watching this thing, you guys. 1943 uptick, volume still coming in. Shorts covering. We got some more shorts trying to take a position right here at 1940. Watch the times and sales, you guys. We're going to need bigger size. We're going to need this to become 1941 instead of 1940. Need the S. Okay, now we just down ticked. So we have 4,000 shares. Let me get that ready. Had to use some leverage on this one, you guys. Even though I don't usually buy this much shares, but this was a decent setup. That's why I size up. I size up on the decent setups. $840. I just want to see that crack of 1940. Here we go, 1941 on the times and sales. Hard volume just stepped up. Even though this is not that much of a float, it's good volume. I mean, this is a high float. It's still good volume. You got resistance at 1950. Got to crack that 1950 for us to go anywhere. Okay. You can see this morning how hard it took a dip, you guys. And then I made a little trend line, followed the trend all the way up. And when I seen it, when the volume started coming in, okay, I was like, okay, I gotta size up on this one. So I might flatten out right here. I might flatten out if it doesn't hold 1938, 1937. There we go. We're at 1942, you guys. Another uptick. Got it. Trying to get to 1950. Shorts keep trying to short it at 1940. They see this as a little top right here. Look at all these shorts coming in, all the sellers coming in. I'm going to hold for another minute because I still see some buyers coming in. Upper shadow looking ugly right here. Hopefully does not close that way. Bid's at 1940. I need the bid to uptick. More volume needs to step up. Man, we got some good buyers coming in. 1941. Uptick to 1942. Even though it's lunchtime, you guys, I took this trade because this is one of my setups. I've been waiting all day for this trade. 1940 downtick. Still got decent buyers. Now I got a little wall of sellers coming in. 1940 reclaims. 1939 downtick. I don't see volume coming in. Giving it a second to test. 1937. 1934 was the last candle's low. The last green candle's low. Shorts trying to take it down. Have the finger on the trigger, you guys. Covering going on at 1938. We got some covering going on. Small positions. Just got a downtick 1937. Still testing. Knocking on 1940, you guys. Couldn't crack 1940. Couldn't hold there. We really have to crack 1940 for this to go anywhere. If this can't crack 1940, I'll be getting the hell out, taking my money, and I'm going to run. Price target is right here, you guys. Almost got my price target. Maybe should have just grabbed profits right there. But it's okay. Want to see some more size coming in on the buyers. I don't see it right now. Down tick to 1937. Not too much size hitting the times and sales. Not too much size hitting the tape. Tape was looking stronger a few minutes ago when all this volume came in. It's finally above VWAP. If this thing cracks below VWAP, you guys, it's a bad sign. So I might just get the hell out. Just going to test this. This is my test area right here, 1937, 1935. When you want to see an uptick, here we go. Here's a little uptick. Excuse me. 1937 testing. Wall of sellers at 1938. Down tick to 1936. I might turn into a seller in a few minutes if this thing shows me resistance, you guys. The only problem is it is above VWAP, so I can't really short this thing yet. Here we go. Some few buyers coming in. Few buyers. The most important thing right now that it holds the 9 EMA and holds 1935. Some people would argue that VWAP is the most important thing, but VWAP is too far away from you guys. I will take my money. I'm not gonna risk because it's such a big position. 4,000 shares at a $20,000. I mean $20 a share. My position right now is $77,439. Just waiting for this bid to jump up a little bit. Really want to see it to hold the 1936 and go to 1937. I don't see it happen no more. It might start downtrending, so I'm gonna keep my finger on the trigger just in case, you guys. Just in case. A little covering, not too much buyers. Here we go. We finally got some buyers. Finally got a few buyers to come in, trying to knock these 1939 guys out. 1941. 1941. Bids at 1939 right now. 1940 on the ask. 1940 on the bid. Got more buyers than sellers right now. It should uptick unless we have some hidden size. Pay attention to the hidden size, you guys. This guy got 21. 35. Here we go. We got a little hidden size. Bam. 1940. 54. 38. 42. 33. Let's watch this guy. I want this guy to get chipped away. I want to see 1941 come on this side. Still got a little wall right here. Not happening. Not happening, you guys. Look at this. Times and sales in the red. A little weakness right now. Just trying to be a little more patient. VWAP trying to curl up a little bit. VWAP trying to curl up. Down tick, you guys. So what I will be doing, I will be selling 3,000 shares. Just waiting for this to see what's happening with the bid. Just sold 3,000 shares, you guys, just so I could be in here for the test of VWAP, just in case it does test VWAP. So I locked in $626. About 600 bucks right now. Just want to see the test of VWAP. That's why I held 1,000, you guys. Tomorrow AMD got some kind of event going on, so if this thing keeps going up, it's a possible swing overnight if it closes strong. They got some presentation going on, and we'll see some type of news. I don't really like playing the news. I like playing the reaction to the news, so probably won't hold this overnight, but depending on how it closes. Still got buyers coming in this thing. Still got buyers coming in. I'm gonna put this put the video on pause for a minute, you guys. Let it play around, test VWAP. I will be back. We're back, you guys. Remember, I held on to 1,000 shares, tested VWAP. Look how perfect it held. 1, 2, 3 touches on VWAP, and as soon as everybody's seen that VWAP held, buyer stepped up, and now it's trying to crack this 1940. Next resistance is about 1946 to 1950. Let's see if it gets to our price area, you guys. Right now, it's having trouble. I'm not seeing follow through, so we're gonna try to get to our target area as close as possible. If it doesn't get there. These shorts ain't having it. They keep selling and selling, trying to take it down. So 1938, 1939 testing. Right now it is lunchtime, you guys, so it's a little slower. Testing the 9 EMA right now and our resistance at 940. We need bigger volume bars to step up in the green. 1938 becoming support, 1940 becoming resistance right now. We just need the bidders to step up, take it to 1939, 1940. Got a seller, big seller right here, 12,000 shares. Got some buyers at 1939. Trying to pop this thing above resistance. If we get a nice pop in volume, this thing will pop, you guys. If we get a nice pop in volume. I want to see volume break this and then pop up here in the green. Right now we're testing resistance. Again, you guys. Testing again. 1938 holding. Doji on the 1 minute. There we go. 1940 knocking on 1940. Got some huge sellers at 1940. Trying 1940 area. If we could get through those guys, there we go. Got some buyers coming in. Here we go. Got some buyers coming in, you guys. If we could get through those guys, we could probably get to 1950, 1946 at least. Here we go. Just got a little squeeze. How much am I up? I am up 1944. I have 1,000 shares left. Let's see if it breaks the 150. I mean the 1950, you guys. Finger on the trigger just in case. I see a lot of sellers coming in at 1950. Right now it's trying 1945. We're knocking on 1945. 1946 coming in. 1946 testing. Huge wall of sellers at 1947. Couldn't crack them. Didn't have enough buyers. If this thing tops out, I might be getting out. Let's see. The reason I have the 5 minute today, you guys, is just to be a little more patient. Look at how fast it just crashed, you guys. Look how fast it got rejected. Let's see if they could hold it above. 1945 testing. This thing is kind of volatile, you guys. That's why I'm like ready with the finger on the trigger, one in the chamber. Sniper mode. There we go, testing the 9 EMA now. Not holding the 9. Need bidders to step up on the 9. The 9 is at 1942, so I need the bidders to take it up a penny. If they can't protect the 9 EMA, I'm not going to chill for the test of VWAP again. We're just going to get out with the last 1,000 shares. They got a big thing going on tomorrow, so I might buy again. We'll see what happens. Right now, it looks like it's just taking a breather. Let's see. Let's see if any buyers come in. 1941 down tick. These guys trying to bring it back down. Got a little shorts covering, a few shorts covering. Still testing our 9. Still testing our 9 EMA. If it holds a 9, we might see buyers step up, you guys. If it holds a 9 and cracks 1947, we might see buyers step up. If it does. If not, we'll get the fuck out. That's it, you guys. Don't fall in love with a stock ever. In and out. Come on. I really want the 1947 to break. You see my resistance line, you guys? Look. Barely went above it. Fake out and went right back. I just wanted to test one more time and possibly crack that. Facing hard resistance right now. Still testing our resistance area. Resistance at 1946 and 1950's natural resistance. Sellers coming in. 1945, we got a wall of sellers. Not that many buyers at 1944. Look at it getting rejected again. 1940 is my new risk area, you guys. That's like a trailing stop for the rest of the 1,000 shares. Just really wanted to see it hold the 1940. Not going to stay in this for another test of VWAP if it does correct below 1940. Not going to chill in here. See how they're trying to swing it down. Look at these guys. Look at all these assholes. You guys trying to swing it down. Sometimes I'm a short, so it's cool though. Here we go. 1939 cracked. I don't like that 666 number, so I'm not going to sell that there. I don't like that 666. You guys. Give me an uptick. Give me an uptick. It kind of held 1940. Held 1940. Buyers try to crack it down. I mean, shorts try to crack it down. They see it couldn't crack, so a few of them covered real fast. But let's see if they try it again. They could try it again, you guys. That's an ugly candle right here. Bearish candle right here. Fighting at the 1940 area. Fighting, you guys. Now, if I was a short, where would I be shorting? Right here. If I was thinking about shorting this, I would short right here. But I wouldn't short because VWAP's right here. But quick short scalps, they might short right here, and then they're thinking about, okay, I'll cover right here. So that's why sometimes they'll bounce at VWAP. See, look at 1940 trying to crack. These bidders they're not having it, you guys. They keep stepping it up. That's what I'm talking about. We want to see a breakout. We want to see a breakout. I want to see a good breakout in the 1947. One more minute, we'll start forming a new 5-minute candle. We'll see what happens with that. If it can't break out, I'll stomp out, you guys. But I see the stock is kind of being squeezed right now. 1944 testing again. Got another wall. Got another wall. 1944. Doji candle. Green doji. Not bad. Times and sales looking hella sexy right now. Let's see what happens. Ugly level 2 though. Big sellers at level 2. I don't want to be tricked out, faked out by level 2, you guys. This is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. Right now, testing our resistance. 2-3 pennies that we could get through. Shorts coming in, shorting resistance. You know, they short key major resistance, you guys. Shorts are shorting the hell out this right now. I want them to get squeezed. They can't crack it. We can't seem to crack that low resistance. There we go. We can still crack it, you guys. If these guys can't break the 9 EMA, buyers will step up. If they could crack it, you're gonna see a little panic going on. Might come back down here again. But I don't want to stay in that panic. So eyes on times and sales, eyes on level 2, eyes on the graph. Playing around. Playing around. There we go, 1942. It's trying to smack it down. Another ugly candle on the 1 minute. Let's see who gives up first. Let's see who buyers or sellers. Looks like the buyers are giving up. Shorts are trying to take this shit down, you guys. The only thing I'm still in here because the volume was low on that little pullback, the little down tick. I didn't see a big red candles. I'm gone, you guys. Volume is really important too. This is a really liquid stock, so we are good. Sometimes patience is like works against you. Sometimes I'm over patient, sometimes I'm under patient. Look at this. Sellers coming in. Again. Bidder still at 1942 though. Good sign. Let's see if we break it. Need to break it. 100,000 shares in volume on the last 1 minute candle. We need really more than that. We need a couple like 200,000 on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute candle, I'm looking for at least a 500,000 in volume on the next 5 minutes, maybe even 1,000,000. Here we go, testing 1946, higher lows. Let's see if it gets stuffed. This is like Shaquille O'Neal, you guys, and this is like Muggsy Bogues playing basketball. Shaq keeps stuffing it, and he keeps shooting it. But, you know, sometimes Muggsy will cross Shaq or go under Shaq, or here we go. Now, we got to get through 1950, which is natural resistance. If we get through natural 1950 and hold, this is my price target area, but if it keeps going, you guys, I might chill for a second. Testing 1950. Testing 1950. Knock, 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 knock. Knocking on 1950. Knocking on 1950. A lot of buyers coming in. Shorts about to get squeezed. Shorts about to get squeezed. Let's rock and roll, you guys. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Buyers at 1950. 1951. Good wall. Good wall at 1950. These guys could slam it any second right back down, you guys. I'm looking real right now. I'm looking for hidden size. Looking for a lot of hidden size right now. It was more safe for locking in the profits, though, you guys. Some people tell me, "Oh, you should have held on," and sometimes I get, nah. I like locking in, you guys. You never know. Look at this thing squeezing. This is just in case. Sometimes when I hold 1,000 shares, they go against me. Sometimes they go work in my favor. So let's see if 1950 holds now. 1950 is our new trailing stop because this is my target area to sell. But for the rest of the 1,000 shares, I'm gonna have a trailing stop 1950 because I've seen a lot of bidders protecting the 1950 area. I want to see these shorts get squeezed, maybe to 1970. If we can break 1960, we got room. See that volume, you guys? What happened? What happened? See that red line? Cracked. A million, a million. Here we go. 1958. 1958. Let's crack 1960. Ugly candle right now. Might come slam back down. Shaq on the move. Here we go. One more candle. We'll start a new 5 minute. Let's see. One more minute. Let's see. A lot of sellers coming in 1950 area. A lot of shorts coming in. They see the candle right here. But they could get squeezed right now, you guys. They could still get squeezed. They can still get squeezed. Testing the 9 EMA again. Volume still looking hella sexy. We need a break of 1959 for us to go anywhere right now. We need to break 1959. We don't break that, we could possibly come back down here and test 1950, but it's all right, you guys. Okay, nice doji, another nice doji so far. Come on, buyers. Still holding our 9. And we gotta see it crack 1959 for another push. So far, we're at 1955. Short is still trying to take it down. I want to see them start covering. A few of them did start covering, but I want to see more of them. If it breaks 1959, 1960, we're going to see more of them start covering. But look at this seller, 21,000 shares right here. He's gone. Peace out, homie. Let's see where we could go right now. Let's see where we go. Need an uptick. Need an uptick. 1957. We got to get through 1959 to go anywhere, you guys. We got to go through 1959. We got to get through 1959. Doesn't crack there, we might see it slam back down again to 1950, 1940 possibly. Here we go, testing 1958. Testing 1958. Don't have that many buyers at 56. Do not have that many buyers at 56. A lot of buyers coming in. We got to get through 59, you guys, for it to crack. And 60. 59, then 60, and we're gone. We should shoot up if it cracks through 60. We should shoot up if volume steps up, if shorts start covering at 60. If they could get it through 60. Ooh, close. So let's try it again, you guys. Look at all these short sellers coming in at the 60. At 1958, 1959. Crack 60, you'll see some of them start covering. A lot of psychology in this shit, you guys. Let's crack that 60. Don't want to see no red volume. Ugly candle, ugly 1 minute candle. Let's see if it holds. Still held the 90 MA beautifully. Knocking on 1960. Knocking on 1960 right now. Shorting at 1960. Look at this guy. 80,000 shares. 1958. I want to see him cover. Here we go. 1961. 1961, baby. Oh, couldn't hold 1960. The bidders have to come to. There we go. 1960 on this side. Here we go. Bidders got to step it up. 1962. There we go. Let's go, baby. 1961. 1961. Shorts trying to rock this. Come on, keep squeezing, baby. Keep squeezing, shorts. Come on, now we have to crack the 1963 for it to go anywhere. Now we have to crack the 1963 to get another higher high. We need 1963, baby. 1960 can't hold. We're gone. I tweeted this company yesterday, you guys. You should have jumped in it. Waited for the dip and jumped in it. If you go look at my Twitter, Rami Z 3684 86. Here we go. Follow me on Twitter, you guys. The hot stocks, the ones I have an eye on, I'll usually throw them on Twitter. 1960 holding. Let's see. 1959 down tick. We might get out of here. Might get out of here. This thing can't hold. This is resistance right here, you guys. We got some resistance right here. The bidder stepped it right back up again. 1961. Bidder stepped it right back up again. I'm going to do a market share on the rest, you guys, if it can't crack our next resistance. Next resistance is the 60s, you guys. You see it's not holding. It cracked it, but it's not holding yet. It's not holding yet. I don't see bidder stepping up at 1960. Look at this down tick. Might still see higher highs. Let's see. Down tick. Down tick. Down tick. Down tick. Down tick. Up tick. 1959. We have to, for us to get to see a higher high or for it to crack out. And right now we got to get over 1963. So we're 5 cents away. Let's see if it happens. If not, 1955 is my trailing stop, you guys. So we're gonna have our finger on the trigger. Yellow, still testing the 9, testing our 9, testing the 9 EMA, giving me a higher low so far. Need a higher high. That's the only thing I need. Higher high. Volume looking good. I need a higher high. I need 1963 to step up. Let's go. One minute candy ugly so far. 1 minute candle real ugly. Don't want to get too greedy, you guys. Just trying to, trust the setup. You feel me? If not, then I'll run out. Then I'm gone. Right now, still holding our trend, still holding our 9 EMA, and still holding our previous resistance, which became new support right here. So the only thing I have in front of me is some hard resistance at 1960 and 1970. I still got buyers though stepping up. Still got buyers stepping up, you guys. Need to crack 1963 so this thing could possibly test 1975. For this thing to get to 1970, 1973, it has to get past 1963. See, it's not holding, you guys. A lot of shorts piling up. A lot of shorts piling up. Let's see. Let's see, how's the volume? Volume's getting a little weaker. A little weaker on the volume. The thing I like about shorts is if they can't bring it down, they start covering. See, now they got a lot of resistance right here. You guys, look at a lot of resistance right here in this area right here. So if I was a shorting this is a beautiful short play. I'll be like, okay, I'll short this right here. My risk is like 3 to 1, easy. But a lot of shorts don't like to buy higher highs because it is still going up. So some of them do, you guys. So here we go. Testing our new support. I'm waiting for the bit to drop off. I'm gone. If it doesn't hold 1955, I'm gone. Short's trying to slam it down. Still holding a 9. See some ugly candles coming, volume candles too. The only reason I'm still holding it is because it's holding a 9. That's why I didn't press the button yet, you guys. If it cracks the 9, I'm gone. I'm not gonna chill. I'm not gonna wait for the test of the 9. See these guys trying to hold up the 9? See these guys trying to hold up the 9? It could consolidate. That's why I could just do a little consolidation, but I'm not gonna risk it. Gone. Gone, you guys. $806.24 trading AMD. It might still go back up, you guys. Gonna keep this on watch. Just gonna throw something on. Just gonna go to Twitter real fast to show you guys. I don't know why it's not going straight to my Twitter. I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm not trying to like brag or show you guys, but I'm gonna show you this. Yesterday, November 4th, AMD partners with 7 companies to produce best crypto mining rings. So I threw it out here, you guys. I threw it out here. So follow me on Twitter. It is at RamiZ3684. Look at this thing. Still holding, you guys. I'm gonna keep my eyes on this. Locked in $806.24. Good luck trading, you guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.